back again with another video. It's like a whirlwind tour of my garden in the rains, and I have only one word to describe it: very, very happy plants. Oh, there's a rain here. It's just going to pour. You can hear the sound. Yeah, it's already poured enough. So you see this money plant growing here, lush green, and it's already clinging onto the wall. You can see the roots clinging onto the wall, and these slowly will have bigger leaves. And this is the syngonium, which is growing on my thermocol pot, which I have shown you in one of my videos, and the tangled heart. This is a lipstick plant. I am not being heard here. This is a lipstick plant, the Adenium. This is a pink syngonium growing in one of my handmade pots. This is a calathea, lush, happy calathea. This is a snow bush. This is an Adenium costatum spotted, which I had got from the flea market. You must have seen it in the video. This is a variety of anthurium with my old man Moses here, and an Aurelia. This is a setup of an older dining table of mine with various plants growing here. Again, it's like a table landscape, small pots, and a faux rock that I have shown you all on one of my videos. This is the Pelia cephali, which is referred to as the baby's tears in many channels I have seen, but I have not read anywhere this particular plant being mentioned as the baby's tears. They belong to the same family, the baby's tears, as well as this, the Utricaceae. But this is not the baby's tears as far as I know. This is the watch chain succulent. This is a Cryptanthus. The Echeveria, the Pelionia, and some plants here too. This is a wonderful philodendron micon. It's clinging onto the wall, and I have no wish to, dislocate it from there or relocate it. This is a peperomia. This is one of my spider plants growing in a handmade pot. And of course, the varieties of asparagus growing with the jade plant squeezed in. This is my beautiful philodendron Brazil, which used to have, their identity is like this, see, it has got a variegation, a half and half, dark and light portions like this. But most of the leaves here have a neon-like look about it. So I don't know what it is. Lemon philodendron or whatever. With just the exception of a single leaf growing like that, shaded. And my other plants here. And yes, a quick update of my tray garden. I have to show you all this. It is, see, the moss is growing well. See, the moss is taken root. It's growing well. These are all the plants which are really doing well. This is a maidenhair fern. This is the hemigraphus, another fern, Boston fern. This is a syngonium here, spider plant here, and a staircase here, and a small cake house, like, remember this Hansel and Gretel? Yeah, so it's like a clay, made of clay. I have done it. The Epicia, a small Chinese evergreen, and the ruin of the fort, fort in ruin, sorry. This is Aurelia. This is the update of my tray garden. Yeah, so let's move from here and go to this favorite spot of mine where I have a medley of plants growing. I have squeezed containers all over the place. So now we can start right from this place itself. You see this fern growing here, peacock fern. It's growing in a small pot, which I have placed inside another pot, which has a spider plant growing. Well, it is just small enough so I could fit it there. And you see this fern. There's a huge tub of money plant here, and it has got some space here, so I could place one small pot of fern. And another fern also is right here, again placed in the tub. And in between you can see a cryptanthus growing. And now this is a gorgeous splash of color to the green plants, the purple sweet potato vine. And you see how it's cascading right from this place and growing, and the last leaf is right here. It looks like a waterfall, isn't it beautiful? Nestled here is a Schefflera, and you can see this plant here. This particular plant, I don't know what it is, viewers, but I call it the swirly plant because it's called the swirls. And the pot is placed nestled between this basin here and the stool here. You can see the stool here. So it's resting in between the two. And there's one Schefflera here too. And another cryptanthus, a baby steers, a sedum, angel sedum, the Charlie, creeping Charlie, and the Buddha serenely overseeing all my plants and seeing that they do well, they grow well happily. This is the golden dust again resting on the basin. Here it is. And the Epicia here. This is a strumante growing in on one of my coffee wood. And this is the lush hanging green sweet potato vine growing kept in a log of wood along with a plastic recycled vase with the Adenium and a beautiful begonia. See the streaks of purple on it. It's a red begonia, I think, one of the varieties, dazzling begonia. And here is a clay pipe into which I placed a small pot of Ficus pumilus. Again placed on this log of wood, and this is all that this log can take now. No more plants on this log. And from here you can see this areca palm at the end of this particular arrangement. And the tower of Syngonium here. Since it's raining, I'm not able to take my mobile camera and take you to the other end of this place. I will stop it right here and proceed once the rain stops. Okay, the rain has stopped. This is one of my pet of the glorious garden and pets. The other two, they have disappeared somewhere. They just dashed out the door since the rain stopped. Oh, they are here. Here. One's going here. I don't know. Disappeared there at the backyard. Yeah. So coming back to my plants. So this is the landscape which you have seen. And this are the various other plants growing here. This is a Ticoma, pink Ticoma. There's some blooms. The hibiscus, the Dracaena marginata, the ponytail palm. These are the different ferns growing here. I've kept this fishtail palm also along with this because they love to grow among their own. So they grow better when plants are placed together. This is my lemon tree, bush, which hasn't got any lemons, but they're green and nice. Rapis palm, some roses, chilies, brinjal. The birds eat them up, doesn't matter. Then you have this purple heart growing on a upcycled wash basin. Some plants growing here. There's another corner. Another place rather, not a corner. This is the cordyline. This is another philodendron growing. There's a croton, a schefflera, the chondrosina. Oh, lovely, lovely. Then I have this, yes, you can see this jungle-like growth in the rains. The wandering Jew and this purple heart. See how this has become a ground cover. The turtle vine ground cover. And you can see the hemigraphis plants here too, but along with this canna lily. This is the lavender here. It's got purple flowers. Can you see the buds? There's a flower which is falling. Then the coleus. There's a beautiful cordyline grown so tall. Vibrant colors. The Aralia grown so tall again. The cycas palm. All nice and green. See this is the so-called Adenium. You can see this wandering Jew, how it is taken over this ground and formed a ground cover. And they have this A. califer growing again in an upcycled wash basin with one small Chinese evergreen peeping there. A syngonium here. There, those are my pets. They all come dashing out just to see who has come. There she goes. See how she jumps the fence. Yeah, she's going to jump the fence. Wow, wow, wow. There she goes. 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 Oh, God. She'll be back. You can see the brightly colored coleus. See the colors which are just popping out. And this Aralia is bending towards me, seemingly telling me, please talk about me too. Of course, I will. This is the Son Champa. This is a double gardenia and the tree gardenia with beautiful Aralia palms. Look at that, the Chinese evergreen growing there. Well, these are all very happy in the rains. Another Dracaena are all so tall. Well, my friends, these are some of the plants which are growing very, very happily in the rains. Just wanted to show you all and share my happiness with you all. Please do like, share, subscribe. Thank you.